So, hello, welcome to our weekly order flow show with Robert Rother. Maybe give me a short feedback here on YouTube if you can see and hear me. And first of all, best regards from Bangkok. I'm right now here in Bangkok. I picked up a friend of mine, but I will tell you more about this later. I think it should work smoothly, at least according to my information here. IT. Hello, T. Good morning. And so everything seems to be fine. So best regards from Bangkok, and we are going to start slowly here. For everyone who doesn't know me yet, short introduction. My name is Robert Rother. I started at the age of 13 and yeah, training really stocks. I bought my first stocks, and then I became quite popular in Germany, and I found two partners who actually taught me the basics of the alternative investment industry, which are hedge fund management, private equity, and managed accounts. I sold, well, it was went quite well, but then I sold my shares in that company and I went to China in 2004. In China, I met a second partner, Chinese partner. With her, I set up my second investment venture. And at the peak time, yeah, I had over $150 million under management. And my best trading day was 2008 during the subprime crisis. Yeah, and I'm just watching here, Alessandra, hello, Siwa Singh. It's starting already right now. At least you should hear everything. Yeah, and then if you're quite successful in China, and this is why I'm also in Bangkok right now, you get detained and they put me in jail for the next 7 years and 7 months for outsmarting the Chinese financial system. And well, yeah, I was released in December 2018. After that, I started to write a book. Well, not me, I had a ghostwriter, of course, and a publishing house behind me. It's called Dragon Years, and it became quite famous. It became a best-selling book in Germany. Right now, I'm running two trading communities, one in German, one in English. I just got you know, since I'm in a hotel room, just got some things for my friend. Excuse me for that. Yeah, I'm running two trading communities focusing on proprietary trading. So, first of all, if you are here on YouTube, yeah, I suggest that you sign up for the YouTube Discord channel and you just scan this on your mobile phone and you use your Bookmap license key to sign up under verify. I'm not go Normally I'm going to show you how to do that, but since I'm working here from a mobile station, I have two attached monitors and it's all set up quite neatly, so I don't want to change here a running system. So just scan it, enter your Bookmap license key, and you're good to go. Yeah, just some Apex certificates from my side, yeah, coming more and more and more. Just proof of yeah, record. Now we are going into the risk disclosure. All Bookmap Limited materials, information, and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendations. Trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So then we have the official part done, and I can close that. Yeah, and we can go into the current market situation. And first of all, yeah, best regards to everyone who's here. Yeah, let me get a short overview of our members here. If something is a little bit slower today than normal, yeah, well, consider I am in Hanya. Hanya, it's in Bangkok, a suburb of Bangkok. My friend basically come from this region. And yeah, I went to Thailand last Saturday, and I knew last year I got the information from my from his wife that he's going to be released after 17 years. And yeah, so I picked him up and we met 3 days ago, and now we are spending every day together. And you have to imagine, yesterday we went shopping together, so he doesn't know what is a mobile phone. He bought his first mobile phone and doesn't know how to use it. Today he saw his first laptop, so to say, and yeah, we already started to get some good ideas on a laptop to write down things. And yeah, he's showing me around. But basically, you have to know he has to get used to the new life in civilization. I can tell you from myself, I spent 7 years and 7 months in Chinese prison. And after I got released, you're somehow really, we are living in a different world. I mean, it's somehow very strange, yeah. So, yeah, you really have to adjust yourself to, like, for example, as I was released, you suddenly have to take care of your own food. In prison, you get your food served, yeah, and you just have to eat what is in front of you. But now, when you are living alone, you cannot get this anymore. So you have to cook for yourself. And then if you go to the supermarket, you don't know anything anymore. Where is the food? Where is well, what should I buy? What sort of ingredients? Yeah, you're completely overwhelmed by all this information. But now what I see here right now in Bookmap, I had the same thing yesterday. Why is there so huge updating indicator events? 39 MB. I checked it yesterday. I mean, yesterday, exactly according to market opening, a rhythmic data connection completely screwed up. Now let's see this. I have a very fast connection here in the hotel, I have to say. I have download speed of 200 over 200 mbits and upload speed of over 80 mbits. Yeah, it's basically faster in most of the areas in Germany, and somehow it's quite slow or quite a lot of data to load here. Scout, why did they send you to jail? Yeah, because I somehow outsmarted the Chinese financial system. There were certain cases. The first one was that during the subprime crisis, yeah, 2008, I outsmarted the Chinese forex system. You must understand that during that time, all the Chinese government, they have a locked up financial system. You cannot transfer money in and out. And that was forbidden. And I became a middleman to actually do this certain transactions because Chinese people trusted me that I'm not a spy. And they said to me, okay, hey, Robert, there is a US dollar or Hong Kong dollar in Hong Kong, and the other one has RMBs in China. So I'm just the sort of trustee to make these transactions. Without that, the money is not leaving the country. That's not illegal, yeah. But of course, you outsmart the system. And then I built up the Chinese financial information platform called Finance China, which translated Chinese stock information into English. And I had the license from the Chinese government for it. But the problem is, if you control or I mean, that was also my intention, yeah. If you control the news, you also control the money flow. And they did not like that. And 1 month before my arrest in April 2011, my Chinese business partner came to me, business partner for this licensing. He said to me, "Hey, Robert, please shut down your company." And I said, "Why the hell should I do that? I'm investing here 250,000 euros every month to build up this Bloomberg of China. That was my dream." Yeah, and I was a little bit naive. I mean, I was 26, 27 at that time. Yeah, and I was German, so I believed whatever you sign on a contract that it matters. Well, but in China, it doesn't matter. It's not even worth the paper it's written on. So, Scout, if you have any more, you can also go here. Just type in Bookmap Robert Rother, and you can read a little bit about my story in English. They also wrote an article about me. And well, unfortunately, my best-selling book is only available in German right now. But I'm going to change this since I'm here now in Bangkok with my very, very good friend, and we are already writing on on our book that has this book. I mean, my first book has also nothing to do with trading. It's a biography about my life. The second book will be about our, how to say, if I say spiritual guidance, it's probably a little bit cheesy. It will be about how to survive imprisonment in daily life. Yeah, something like that. Stephen, hi Robert. I've been having bad rhythmic data connection issues. Not sure what's going on. It's my PC or something. Stephen, I had the same thing yesterday. Nothing worked. I only had data latencies of like 2 minutes. Yeah, and I switched through all different gateways from Singapore to Hong Kong to Chicago to Frankfurt. Yeah, I don't know why it did not work at all. Nothing worked. And then I stopped doing anything. And it's not, at least, I mean, I checked my internet speed, everything is fine. And I used the X feed also because I didn't know what to do anymore. So even in the German live stream, I used the X feed to show Tesla or other stocks, and this was working fine. The X feed was working, so it's definitely a rhythmic connection problem. Scout, whoa, what a tale. Glad I joined your stream. You're welcome. As an American, I thought we had a monopoly on fascinating prison experiences. No, Scout, well, definitely you don't have a monopoly on that. There are many great stories about that in China. And yeah, we are going to publish this now, our experiences in German, English, and Thai language, because my two best friends, they are from Thailand. One is being released just right now, and the other one will be released in 3 months. I did not know this also, yeah. And then we are writing our own, our own way how to survive certain life circumstances and what you can learn out of these situations. No, no, Stephen. The rhythmic fuck up was definitely not only you, it was me also. And I think some other peoples in our community had the same issues. I couldn't trade, I couldn't do nothing, nothing worked. It's completely screwed. And I checked here everything. I have a stable laptop, basically works fine. Have stable internet connection here in this hotel, really amazing. Better than Germany, but that was definitely a rhythmic problem. Oh, Scout, you just got back from Koh Samui. Hey, nice place. I haven't been there, but I'm going tomorrow with my friend to Pattaya. A dark place at 6044. Yes, yeah, I would like to turn on the ES right now, but I'm not sure since I'm happy that actually the MNQ is working right now, yeah. So I'm a little bit scared. First, I let the indicators being upgraded, and if this is working stable, I can add something new. Normally, I have more than one market open, but since I have I don't want to mess up the stream. Put it like this, yeah. Koh Tao was perfect for scuba diving. Yeah, well, I came the first time to Thailand in 2004. I went to Phuket Island, or better said, Patong Beach, and well, I went there Christmas, and you know what happened in 2004 Christmas, yeah, or first or second Christmas day. The tsunami came, yeah, and well, I survived it also. I survived many things, so God doesn't want me to die yet. current view here. Oh, the ES. Yeah, okay, yeah, the ES I'm seeing here, Teak. Thank you that you're posting it. Well, I'm really reluctant to open our new window here since everything is updating here right now. So, but anyway, let's have a look at the market situation here on trading view. At least, we saw this big sell-off also even yesterday again. I'm going to be on a longer time frame to get the big picture because that's always very important. You see this green lines here, and here. That basically indicates these are my personal lines that we are on a longer time frame, like 1 hour chart, still in a rotation. Rotation means that sell the high, buy the low. Yeah, so you can see here, market is going into this direction, sell off. Coming here to this lower direction, now we have the pullback. Extending this a little bit. The yellow lines that you can see, these are basically high volume nodes. High volume nodes mean that, yeah, there's a support and resistance zone going on. Well, I am actually not really bearish, I would say. I'm going to delete this. I would simply, like, I mean, it always depends on the time horizon that you're looking at. Yeah, you can bearish on a 1 minute chart. The other one is bullish on a 1 hour chart. Yeah, so bearish and bullish, what does it mean? First, define the time frame. If you don't have a time frame, two people talking about completely different things. So if I look at this smaller time frame here, 50 minutes, the big support is this green line, yeah. But we're also here on a sort of range, larger range. We can see we have lower highs here. They're selling the highs when the market is coming to there. If we're going to break through this zone, I'm going to use a pencil here. Here, big highs, lower high, market sell-off, and same here. They tried to sell it off, but it did not work. Well, let's see what is going to happen at market opening. If we are going now in this direction, above this, especially above this VWAP, then fire free to the upside, yeah. But we still have like 10 minutes to market opening, so be relaxed. And all these lines, these are VWAPs from the high points. And once we basically go above them, it's a bullish signal. But otherwise, I would simply start to short these lines. First, short here, short the yellow lines for scalping trades, like 20, 30, 40 points in the in the M&Q. Pre-market, Nvidia is up a little bit. Also, 134, Tesla's up. I really got damaged. Bearish just on the day. Yeah, I mean, this scout, I'm not sure. Well, I would say the bottom line is 2800, yeah. I don't know why these indicators are taking so long time recently here. Probably I should switch off one indicator. Oh, it's now. No, 20,800 in the NQ. That is the lower range of this big here, this one, 20,800. This is the 20,800 to 600. This is the bottom line of this rotation. We have this green area here and this green area above about 22,400. This is the rotation where the highs are and the lows. Anything between that on a longer time frame is simply sideways movement. Yeah, that means buy here, sell here. This is what they're doing. And this is why we can also see this sell off here. Go down, go down, go down. And if they say maybe they are bearish, that means they want to see this area here, yeah, at 2,800. Where does the green bars come from? This I draw by myself, you know. I'm doing basically every day before market opening. I'm doing my trading analysis and I'm drawing this by myself. I'm looking on the daily chart, hourly chart, 50-minute chart, and then I can recognize where are the high lows and so on to no, it's just my personal technical analysis. I call it my daily homework, yeah. That I do just before market opening. Normally, if I would not be in front of my mobile trading desk, I could show it more vividly, yeah, how I am doing it. But since I'm here on my mobile thing, it's more complicated. And I had this really bad rhythmic connections the last day, so I'm very carefully in touching everything, you know. Never change a winning system or running system. So this is why I like to talk more today than to switch between charts. Again, if everyone has questions here also on YouTube, yeah, feel free. But what we can see here, the yellow line, now finally it loaded the day VWAP. This is a VWAP that is starting at the opening of the electronic session, which is midnight Central European time or 6 p.m. Eastern time, or I don't know what's the fuck here in Thailand. And this is a why is a session VWAP is here? It should not be here. The market did not open yet. Why is there a session VWAP? That's strange. This one should not be there. 27, 15:30. There's some error here. So I'm going to delete this one. This is why it also has to load so much. I don't know. There's some sort of error here. Maybe this was also the issue because this VWAP should not load. There's no. Okay, this VWAP is okay here. This is starting at the right point. This is fine. Yeah, T, I think there's something really here wrong or screwed up with the time zones. Maybe that is the biggest issue because this is still the German time zone that is here. And this is also shown here in on Bookmap. Basically should be same, but maybe it's getting confused with the Thailand time zone. And this might be an issue. I mean, it's the first time since I got released from prison that I'm in Asia. It's now 7 years ago. So and now it's working quite smooth. Normally it should work smoothly. The configuration, everything is fine. Everyone here who is on YouTube, also feel free to give a like button. Yeah, well, but team, my German time access is normally also German time, yeah, and my computer also shows German time. Scott, you're trading in Thailand. Yes, I'm trading in Bangkok right now. Well, I'm not based in Bangkok. I'm just here for 3 weeks with an old friend of mine from who I picked up from prison. D, hello, nice to see you also. Dan. I have actually a big bag here. My friend just came and gave me a big of Thai chow cow. Thai chow cow is Thai barbecue, yeah, because they are outside now and they know I have to work because this. I mean, I love this country, but for US trading, it's completely fucked up. I'm really upside down the world, yeah. When I wake up, my friends in USA call me and hey, let's go drinking. Yeah, are you drinking? I said, hey, what? I just woke up, yeah, and vice versa. Crazy, crazy. But at least I'm happy that it's working, and I must say, basic internet connection, everything is stable. So now in 1 minute, I'm going to create now a new VWAP that should work well. So create current time. Now it's also telling me 27 now. Same. But why is this? Does this? VWAP needs 39 megabyte to load when it's just starting now. There is something, and then it's starting from before. There's something wrong. Time zone does affect software. It could be using it as a location dictator. It might be trying to connect to a server outside of your range, making things slower. Yeah, that probably I think is a big issue. Yeah, I did not consider that because my laptop did not travel so far since 7 years, or actually since a couple of years. Only went to US, but it wasn't a big difference. Normally it should work fine. The internet connection is perfect here. It's really, really good. Scott, I was only in Bangkok long enough to see the red light district and get hustled for overly expensive honey. Yeah, it sounds very familiar to me. Nana Plaza, yeah, or So Cowboy. Yeah, I also had my little breakdown there the last couple of days. Try change the time zone from the settings. Yeah, and you're telling this to someone who is a computer expert. Let me try. Okay, now I'm getting it to settings. Okay. I tried. I'm working on that. I'm turning off the computer off and then back again. Not the best idea, Twinkle. Like this is exactly right then, yeah. But I think if I mean, it's working smoothly right now. Yeah. And hey, the VWAP start here at the real, at the right level. That's good. Now I adjusted the time zone automatically here. Now you can see it's 10:30 here in Bangkok. That's okay. Let's see if it's moving faster. Question here on YouTube, Snuggy Woo. Hi Robert, quick question. I know you copy trade through 15 account, but in one account, what percentage is your average daily goal in one account? What percentage do you risk and how many trades do you open? Okay. Let me I cannot open it here right now because it's probably a little bit messy. Um, you must let's assume, yeah, Snuggy Boo, every account that you have is like 50K. And then if your account for example, reach 52K, then you trade instead of one contract, two contract. If it reaches 53K, you trade instead of two, three contracts. Yeah, so you always have a sort of balance. When this balance is reached, you increase your position size. Or if it decreases below a certain account balance, then you decrease your position size. And this is something what you have to do every day manually. Yeah, before I basically start trading, I look at my trade copier and I adjust all the account balances according to their position size. Let's say on account A, I want to trade 5 contracts because it had reached level 54,000. On the other account that probably reached 54,000, I want to trade 4 contracts. Yeah. So you have to find a metrics for yourself. I would suggest for micro contracts, every $500 you increase by one. Yeah. Once you reached, I'm talking now about PA accounts. Once you reached like $52,600, then your limit is fixed at $50,100 and you build it up slowly until you get your payout. But it is also according to your personality, of course, and according to your trading style, what you are doing. I'm trading quite short term, and then it's yeah, different situation. Hey, and here, so and Snuggy Boo, yeah, if you, I think this is the way how I am approaching it. And the thing with the time change here, time Swift, it really seems to work much better. Or am I having illusions here right now? Just to adjust the software according to my local time zone, hey, makes it a lot better. Cool. Thanks, D, for the advice. At least I think it's moving much better. Cool. Sometimes life can be so simple, yeah, if you know how to do. But you always learn, and that is what I like about the trading industry. You always learn. So what I want to see now is that the market goes above this level here. 404, 405. Otherwise, support is here at 29. I mean, if I place now a trade, I have to admit I'm not going to place any trades on any funded account that is not stable enough for me. But sometimes I like to gamble. But not then I would choose some damaged accounts, some eval accounts that we can chase a little bit. So we have the, I cannot act fast enough here. But anyway, what I always wanted to try out, I also can do this. I'm using the trading stop loss and I want to go long here. Anyway, the account that I'm trading here cannot be damaged. I'm trying to go long here at the, this is not 10, take profit, 100, stop loss, 50. I want to go long at the VWAP here. Cent. Let's see what's happening here at the day VWAP. I mean, I'm not totally here, it's getting filled. I don't have much choice. I got the entry, My trailing stop loss is moving to the upside already. It's okay. So now almost break even, yeah. Okay, I got stopped out here. Now it's interesting. What is... Okay, there was a data latency. I should have been stopped. It seems to be I stopped out here. I'm here with a take profit. Count info, working orders, executions. Buy at 85.75 and out at 93. Small. Everything fine. Small take, small profit. But a little bit delayed here, yeah. But the trade was good. Almost even got my take profit. But I think with this trading stop loss, I have to investigate this more. Now, where I want to go long, definitely here at the 25, especially now. I try it here, 25. There's this high volume node. We can see here. Don't trade what I trade right now, yeah, just to look at it. We are now exactly at a high volume node. This is basically the yellow lines are high volume nodes which show good support zones. And I'm in here. And out again with a small loss, yeah, but I have this trading stop loss. I don't know if I like this. I always wanted to try it, yeah. Normally I did this manually, but it's going too fast into my direction or not. And so where do you want to go on the big picture here? Settlement price from yesterday, 44. Oh, there are 1,300 lots here at 39. Ah, Florian, yeah, best greetings. I also have Spätschicht, yeah. If someone really wants to move some big orders here, yeah, all these 1,000 lots to the downside. But I think they want to get the settlement price here at 44, 40, 49 was it yesterday. Absorbed. This one. So now we are back here at this high volume node. Market should go here above this 31 level, otherwise it's if we go above 31 and establish our market here above this area, then I we could say we are bullish again. But as long as we stay below 31, it's difficult. And we have this two VWAPs here, day VWAP and session VWAP coming coming together. 75. Ah, that doesn't look so bullish right now. So 69, I also don't know where's the bottom now. Settlement price or really 2800, what I say. This is I would try the settlement price from day before yesterday, yeah. It was 49. Might be a nice touch. So we can also use. Oh no, let's go if we can grab this liquidity here. I mean, there seems to be some interest here at the settlement price. Okay, now I should get the fill, and everything is now more or less automated. So I'm already It's a little bit slowly. I'm already stopped out. Market is moving into to my direction, but strange calculation here. Where I went in here, market went up. I really have to follow this upwards. I'm not getting really smart out of this. I think the real execution and what is showing you in Bookmap is some sort of delayed. It's interesting. It says I'm in on 48 and out of 52. Why? I cannot understand this issue. Because we cannot see anything here in on the chart. What could cause this? Price war has never been there. Hmm. So now where the market wants to go. By the next low at 85. We'll try this as 85. But this time without trading stop loss, I think there's something not. So let's see. That would be then the last trade for this. Wait a couple of minutes. I mean, trading stop loss worked well. I'm in profit, yeah. So, but it should have been definitely more profit than this. So now we should get the fill quickly. Okay, the maybe also bookmap time should be changed. I will check this later here. But yeah, yeah, it's still the German time. Probably I will also going to change this anyway. We're going to quit here soon, and I have to go to my community. Okay, now we're in here. So go on, give me this trade. No. Okay, got stopped out here, and yeah, but almost take profit. Anyway, yeah, I will change this. It was only playing around. Yeah, I would say we see each other next week. Next week I will stream from Thailand again, from Pattaya, and probably I will have solved all these issues. So, for our community members, we see each other, yeah, in a couple of minutes once everything is done here. And yeah, take care and see you next week. Same time, same place.